Hi, I'm Evan Pantazi. Today I'm going down to work with the Shihans down in Mansfield. It's interesting. We did this the last couple of weeks ago. We're working on Sanchin, and we started putting together a Tegumi. The Tegumi is to further expand the idea that any kata could be a complete fighting system. Now, in my Kyusho entering, I broke the Sanchin down into 9 levels of use for Kyusho, for the targeting and the tools, all utilizing the basic positions and postures and actions of the kata Sanchin. Now, this is a Weichi-Ryu Pangai-nun style of Sanchin, but that doesn't mean it wouldn't translate to a fisted style like Goju or Rukyu. So it's all up to you and what you see in the kata and the reasons for it. Now, what I've decided to do is I'm building a Tegumi here in advancement of that particular idea. Now, the 9 levels that we worked on were for entering. All right. Now, what happens when you get into the entered position, where you're in a clinch, when you're in a headlock, when you're in a grappled situation? This takes it from the distant position of entering into your opponent's trapping range and into the grappling range. Okay, so we're going to move from the 3 ranges of the sparring. We're going to enter into the trapping range, and that's what we did with the prior filming of the Sanchin Entering. Now we're going into the clinch in the grappled range. It's exciting. It's a passive-aggressive type of process. In a month or so, it's already scheduled, it's already written, it's already filmed. We went through our first session of exploring this Tegumi that I developed. Today we're going to refine it. We're going to expand it. The expansion is going to be to bridge into Seisan, which is the second most important kata of the Weichi-Ryu Pangai-nun system. You have the 3 main katas and 1 controversial kata, the 3 main katas being Sanchin, Seisan, and Sansei-ryu. And the 4th is Super Renpai. Pretty soon on this video channel, you'll be seeing a little excerpt on Super Renpai. And it was brought back, and it was thought to have been the secret or lost kata of the Pangai-nun system. By some speculate that it's not. When I do it, I've been doing it for many years now, and it feels like it flows with the first 3 or the main 3 kata. Now there are 5 other katas that were developed by Weichi, and they're interim katas to expand the system. I don't work with those. Okay, they have all the components that are built into the other forms, and to me, I'd rather stay with the originals. There's more than enough work to do with 1 kata, let alone 4. But the flavor of the Super Renpai, it follows right in line, and it also has a component that's not really exploited in the first 3 kata, but I'll get into that as I get into Super Renpai. So today it's Saturday. You'll be seeing this Sunday morning. I'm going to film the refinements, and I'm going to film the bridge into the Seisan. And whether we make this 2 projects or 1 project, I don't know yet. I might even just flow it right into the Sansei-ryu and even the Super Renpai. It'd be a huge undertaking, which I'm up for. I've already got the Tegumis in my head. I've been working on it sporadically with different people around the world as I go to different seminars using bits and pieces. But I haven't put the whole thing together for any one particular person or group yet. That's what I want to work on. I want to get it on film, document it, and also show the effects, which will help a lot of people in the Weichi system, Pangai-nun system, but also to show you how a kata can develop from a simple idea into a vast program that you can train. Now, I've already done an iron shirt video, and that was utilizing the same Weichi Pangai-nun Sanchin to show you the different reasons. Now there's more to that iron shirt. You got to realize there's so much you can put on a video, and there's so much that we share publicly. There is so much more than these films, but they are a solid groundwork for your future studies. As a matter of fact, I don't know anybody that's gotten into the system as much on the Kyusho or the targeting. And I'm here to not to brag about it or tell you that it's something special that I do. It's just something I find fascinating. And what I find really fascinating about it is this is an old style of Sanchin, not modernized with the fisted positions. If you look back on all the Wei Crane styles and the Tiger styles from China, you'll see a Sanchin, a Samchien, whatever they want to name it, and they're all open-handed. It's prior to the fisting in the 1900s of karate. And it's also fascinating to me that it employs all 6 of the hands. Now these hands are called out in the Bubisi as the 6 hands of Shaolin, 6 G hands, the energy hands, because they transfer the energy. We will be utilizing these tools in the exact postures and positions and actions of the katas of the Weiqi system and the Pongainu. So I look forward to developing this with you on the Platinum subscription. What we're doing is I filmed the sequence in its rough form, and that will be on the Platinum subscription, and you will see every stage. If we film today, you'll see this also put up on there. It's going to be a work in process, so you can see how each step gets more refined, more practiced, more highly detailed in the targets, the tools, and the effects. So I hope you're with us on the journey. If not, just give us an email at kyusho.com, go to contact support, and you can contact us and find out how you can be a part of this. Thanks for watching.